Hi everyone, and welcome to SEOLab support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use search appearance in SEOLab and how it helps Google understand your store better. Search appearance controls what Google shows when someone searches for your store or your products. Search appearance adds structured data that tells Google what your pages are, what they contain, and how they are organized. And this increases your chances of getting rich results in Google. Let's get started. Open your Shopify admin, go to the SEOLab app, and click Search Appearance. Now let's go through each option one by one. Breadcrumbs turn the toggle on. Breadcrumbs help Google understand your site structure. Google may show breadcrumb links in search results, making your pages easier to navigate. Turn Site Search Box toggle on. This feature adds a search bar under your Google result when someone searches your brand, allowing customers to search your store directly from Google. Product Structured Data. Turn the toggle on. This adds important product information such as price availability ratings. Article Structured Data. Turn the toggle on. If you publish blog articles, this helps Google read them correctly by adding article title author, publish date, featured image. This improves your chances of getting enhanced article results in search. Collection Structured Data. Turn the toggle on. This applies structured data to your category pages and helps Google understand the products inside each collection, which can help your collection pages perform better. Blog Structured Data. This adds structured data for your blog listing pages, making them clearer for Google to understand. Organization Structured Data. Turn the toggle on. This tells Google who your business is, what your logo is, and your brand identity. Now fill in the details. Add your logo. Upload a clear, high-quality logo. Enter your business name. Use your official store or company name. Add your social links such as YouTube, Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. Then click Save. In simple words, this helps Google recognize your business and display it more professionally. Now move to Local Business Structured Data tab. Turn the toggle on only if you have a physical store or you provide services in a specific location. Leave it off if your store is online only. Fill in your information. Store image, business name. Select your local business type, price range. Telephone review. Radon street address. City, state, province, country. Zip, postal code, latitude and longitude. Then set your business hours so Google can show whether your store is open or closed. When you're finished, click Save. This helps Google improve your local rankings. Show business information panels display your store location, build trust with customers, make your brand look more professional. It doesn't directly change rankings, but it makes your results stronger and more clickable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next SEO Lab tutorial.